Hello guys, Softoni here, and this LED display effect looks amazing and you can make it in minutes. So let's jump into After Effects. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects, and as you can see I have already created the final composition, and here is the media 01. Of course you'll import your own footage, and for the first step let's go right click to create new solid layer, and this is gonna be BG for background, and for the width I'll do 2000 and for the height 300. Hit OK, and now let's go here inside the effects and presets, type fill effect, drag and drop onto the background, and you are also free to change whatever color you want. Here I will do dark blue because this is gonna be cool looking for this LED display effect. Now hit OK, and for the next step hit Ctrl+T or go hit on the horizontal type tool, and I will type LED display text, OK, and I'm gonna center it. Go here inside align panel, center it like so. If you can't find align, just go window, you will find align here. Okay, and I'm using this sign extra bold font, you can find it free on Google. Go back here inside the effects and presets, and for the first effect I will type Triton effect, drag and drop onto our text, and for the color change highlights to maybe light yellow color, something like this. Hit OK, go back here inside the effects and presets, find noise effect, and also drag and drop onto our text. Uncheck this option, use color noise, and set up the amount to around 10%. Okay, now I will duplicate this LED display text, hit Ctrl+D, move this one down. Okay, and for the second one, go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will type effect, roughen edges, and drag and drop onto our LED display 2 text. Here inside this new effect, change edge type from roughen here to rusty color. Okay. Set up our playhead to around 0 seconds, and let's animate evolution. Let's set up our first keyframe, and I will do 20 for this first keyframe. Go here at 6 seconds or so, and I will type here 0. And now when we hit 0, nothing happens. Hit here again on this LED display 2 text, hit S for scaling, and I will do 102. And now when we hit 0, you can see our roughen edges effect. Okay guys, that was our first step, and now it's time to create our first adjustment layer. Go right click to create new adjustment layer, and we will create LED display like so, and go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will type CC ball action effect and drag and drop onto our adjustment layer, and let's change here grid spacing to 3, and for the ball size I will do 50. And as you can see, magic happened, hit 0, and this LED display is looking cool. What we can do for this LED display 2, inside the Triton effect, change whatever color you want. I will do light blue color, something like this. Hit OK. You can always go back here on the first text and change to whatever color you want. You can use white color or whatever you want here inside this final composition. Hit OK, and now when we hit 0 here inside the final one, as you can see we have gotten and we have created this cool looking LED display effect. Let's also add here another solid layer, find here new solid layer, and this is gonna be star burst particles, and this is gonna be also 2000 by 300, hit OK. Now let's go back here inside the effects and presets and find star burst effect and just double click. And before that let's also add fill effect, drag and drop above the star burst effect, change whatever color you want here. I will do maybe white color, and you are also free to play around here with the scatter and every other option like grid spacing, size, and everything else. And now when we hit 0, we have the look like this. Let's just bring down this starburst effect below our adjustment layer, and now when we hit 0, we have created this cool looking LED display effect. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and as you can see I have shown you this cool looking technique so you can create your own LED display effect and just be creative and play around with those effects. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and also if you found something useful in this tutorial, hit that like button. And like always, take a look at my channel for even more great tutorials. You can always drop me a comment down below in the comment section, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye.